Hello, I am Siddharth Pendharkar from pendharkarsinstitute.com and I will help you understand this problem to find equation of a plane. The data given is something like this. For this plane, there is one normal and this plane passes through one point -1, 1 and 2. Now, the data given about the normal is normal makes equal angles alpha, beta, gamma with the xyz axis and normal has a magnitude of 3√3 units. Now let us try to understand how to find equation of this plane. Firstly, let alpha, beta, gamma be the angles made by this normal with the xyz axis. Alpha, beta, gamma are equal, so their cos ratios, cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma will be also equal. Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma will be direction cosines of this normal. Now we know for any direction cosines, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. Since all these three are equal in this question, 3 cos square alpha equal to 1, cos square alpha equal to 1 by 3, cos alpha equal to 1 by √3 plus or minus. Similarly, cos beta and cos gamma will also be plus or minus 1 by √3. Now, please understand this property. If I know direction cosines of a line, direction cosines, then a unit vector along that line will have I, j, k coefficients as the direction cosines along that line. I will repeat, a unit vector along any direction will have I, j, k coefficients equal to the direction cosines of a line along that direction. Now, so what will be a unit vector along the normal? Unit vector along the normal will have direction cosines as the I, j, k coefficients along that normal. So n cap will be 1 by √3i plus 1 by √3j plus 1 by √3k. For convenience, I have taken only the positive values. And then normal, now this is unit vector along the normal. So normal will be what? The magnitude 3√3 into unit vector along normal, that is n cap. So 3√3 into this, 1 by √3 I have taken out common, √3 gets cancelled. So normal vector comes out to be 3i plus 3j plus 3k cap. Point on the plane is given as -1, 1 and 2. So in vector form, position vector of the point is -i plus j plus 2k cap. Just put ijk to these. Now equation of the plane is of the form r bar dot n bar equal to a bar dot n bar. A bar is point on the plane, n bar is normal. Normal we know 3i plus 3j plus 3k, we will substitute. Point we know -i plus j plus 2k, we will substitute. Now this a bar dot n bar, this dot this is simple dot product. This as it is, dot product, how will you evaluate? Multiply the I, j and k coefficients and add. So -1 into 3 plus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3. And so this comes out to be r bar dot 3i plus 3j plus 3k cap equal to 6. This on evaluation comes out to be 6. This is vector form of equation of plane. Now how do we find Cartesian form? What is r bar? Position vector of any point on the plane. For example, if some point on the plane is capital R, its position vector is small r bar. Now what will be capital R? Capital R basically would be x, y, z, any point on the plane. So I'll put small r bar as xi plus yj plus zk cap. Remember this procedure. You will put it here. So this dot this equal to 6 and then just multiply the x, y, z coefficients and add simple dot product. So 3x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 6. This is Cartesian equation of plane, and then I'll divide by 3. So x plus y plus z equal to 2. This is the Cartesian equation of this plane. This is how we solve this problem.